Hello and welcome back to Mini Traders. This is the sixth video in our comprehensive algorithmic trading course. In today's video, we will be discussing variables in Python. All of the code we write in this course will be done in a Jupyter notebook, and we will save it each time to keep everything organized. Let's create a new folder and save our codes. So what are variables? Variables are containers that we use to store data in our programs. They can hold different types of data such as numbers, strings, lists, and more. Let's take a look at some examples of how we can define variables in Python. Let's define two variables, x and y. We assign value 5 to x and the value 10 to y. We use the equal sign to assign values to variables. The variable name goes on the left hand side of the equal sign, while the value we want to assign goes on the right hand side. We can perform simple math calculations on these variables using arithmetic operators. For example, if we want to add x and y together, we can use the plus operator like this. This will give us the result of 15. We can also reassign new values to existing variables, and this will change the value stored in the variable. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we have reassigned the value of x to 7. If we were to print out the value of x again, we would see that it has changed to 7. Now it's time for you to do some exercises. Write some simple scripts and do some math with variables. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.